Alright. This is my domain right here. This is my entryway. See? Crap. So anyhow, oh yeah, there's my jacket. 0 accidents. Client 0, 2013. Oh yeah, and they put, what did they put on it? For your company? Huh. Ha, the way. Die and we die. Oh. How the way. Dinwiddie. And then, let's see what else. Oh, whoops. This is me, my domain. See, family stuff. And then, that's my sword. Pretty nice. Old school gangster shit. And it's supposed to be 3 girls, that's my couch. See, I could have 3 girls here getting high with me, fucking laughing and shit and that, going somewhere, or, you know, something. But instead I got a backpack, a box, little coffin, and a Kit Kat bag on top. See? My tequila I drank already. All my houses. Look. That's 1503 Sanborn Avenue. The very first one. Listen, it even has the same doorbell. See? 2 would be like what? Roberts Court? 3 would be like Buffkin Court. But I would have got married. But I told her what? I want you to do the life I couldn't give you. And 4 is right now my grandparents' house, the last one. Well, anyhow, this is my house. And I'm looking for some females.